Hello everyone, have you solved any engineering challenges recently? Today, we are going to go through the setup to connect your Canon camera with the smartphone. In this video, we will cover topics as follows. Initial preparation for camera and smartphone. Establish direct Wi-Fi connection between the camera and the smartphone. Establish Wi-Fi connection using an existing Wi-Fi network. Set up Bluetooth connection between camera and the phone. Set up instant photo transfer after shooting. Notice, this function is only applicable to EOS M50 and the new EOS R. Remote control using live view on smartphone. Finally, there are some additional functions I will mention at the end. The timeline is in the description. You can jump to any one of the sections using the timecode. Let us begin with the setup. To enable Wi-Fi, hit the menu button. Go to the camera setting and set wireless communication settings. Enter Wi-Fi settings. Enable Wi-Fi. A nickname is needed to identify the camera. The default name will be used in this demonstration. After the name is set, go back to wireless communication settings and enter Wi-Fi function menu. In this menu, select Connect to Smartphone and register a device for connection. You will need to scan the QR code on the screen using your smartphone. If you do not have a QR code scanning app, you can also download it directly from App Store or Google Play Store. You will need to download and install the Canon Camera Connect app. After installation, open the app and go through app permissions. I recommend you to allow all the permissions. The phone is connected to a home Wi-Fi. However, no camera is connected, as you can see now on the main page of this app. It is now time to go back to the camera. After pressing Set button, to continue from the QR code screen, this screen will show up. It is a Wi-Fi hotspot of the camera which you need to connect your cell phone to. In your cell phone's Wi-Fi setting, connect to a Wi-Fi with this SSID using the password provided. After connection, go to the app. The camera will show up in a short moment. Click on it, and the screen on the camera will change. You can use the Info button to change the viewable images. In this case, we will keep it on all images. Hit OK, and the connection is going to establish. Once connected, both screens will change. You could see lots of functions are enabled now on the screen. For future connections, hit the Wi-Fi button on the side of the camera. Choose the device to connect. If your phone has connected to an existing Wi-Fi network, you will need to manually switch to the camera's hotspot. However, most of the case, we will use this function outside where the phone is not connected to any Wi-Fi. All you need is to fire up the app, and the connection will be established automatically. You can also connect the phone and the camera using an existing Wi-Fi network, like at home. Note, if your camera and phone are currently connected directly, you will need to disconnect them first. Hit the Wi-Fi button on the side, select your phone, and select Switch Network. The camera will scan the accessible Wi-Fi network around. Select the network you would like to join. Enter the password and connect. This is the moment you can see a touchscreen is really handy. Once the camera is connected to the internet, the phone will be able to access the camera. The camera and the phone do not need to be under the same Wi-Fi network. In the future, the camera will automatically connect it to the Wi-Fi if it is available. Bluetooth connection can be used between camera and smartphone. To set up Bluetooth, you need to disable Wi-Fi first, then enable Bluetooth function and set it to the smartphone mode. Hit pairing. In the phone app, the camera will pop out. Hit the camera to send the request and accept on the camera screen. Shortly after, they will be paired. You only need to pair it once. In the future, once you launch the app, Bluetooth connection will be established automatically. Two methods can be used to set up instant photo transfer. It is a function that enables photo to be transferred while you are shooting. Your phone acted like the second card slot. However, there are some limitations. First, only photos will be transferred, not videos. 2. If you are using RAW plus JPEG, only the JPEG file will be transferred. You can disable JPEG shooting to transfer the RAW files. The first method is from the camera. On the wireless communication setting, enter Wi-Fi setting. Enable send to smartphone after shoot. You can select the quality of the image to be transferred. I recommend original size. The second method is from the app. When camera and phone are connected, enter auto transfer and toggle the first selection. Reduce image size will be on at the same time. Turn it off to achieve full quality JPEG images. During a week of use, I did not notice significant battery drain. Note, this is only auto transfer. To download images, you need to manually select them from the app and then download them. Remote control in live view is available when there is Wi-Fi connection. You could adjust aperture or shutter speed, like shown. You could also switch from photo to video mode, which overrides the mode selection dial on the top of the camera. Do not worry, once you exit the app, the mode on the camera will be switched back to reflect the mode selection dial. There are some additional functions from the app. You can use Bluetooth remote controller. There are some very simple controls. The benefit is that Wi-Fi connection is unnecessary. You could also set the time of the camera directly from your phone by using your phone's time zone and time. In this case, even the camera does not have your time zone, the correct time will still be set to the camera. That is the end of this tutorial. Although I tried to cover most of the details, there might still be some parts missing. If you know some settings that I did not cover, please comment them below. I wish you liked this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, may the engineering mind be with you. Looks like I don't even need a phone.